been working on plumbing all day in the kitchen, and I was short a part and still was able to make it work. And now I am ready to use the gift that Amy and the boys got me for Father's Day. Let me show you what it is. That's pretty cool. Bartesian premium cocktails on demand. Now our friend Katie has one of these, and she made me an old-fashioned a couple weekends ago, and I don't like them. Well, I'll say I didn't like them until she made me one on this Bartesian, and it changed my mind. So I'm gonna set the box down. There it is. Now I haven't used it yet, still got the tape on it. I'm planning on using it tonight. But there are these containers that are on the side. Like you can put gin or rum. And this one, vodka, whiskey, tequila. And if you haven't ever seen this, you might ask, well, what is so special about it? What does it do? Well, much like a Keurig, you can get these pods here. You put the pod in here, and it knows just the amount of whiskey to put in there. I say let's give it a shot, see what it does. Alright, so it's plugged in. I'm going to put water in the reservoir. One whole lot. I hope that's enough. Pull out the whiskey container. Alright, let's grab an old-fashioned. Lift the top. Set it in there. Put your cup under it. Close it like you would a coffee. Asking spirit strength. Let's go ahead and hit strong. No need to leave a tip. A little menu across the top is going, and this is its first use, so that's pumping water in. It's going to use water to help mix the pod. Throw a little bit of ice in there. Let's taste it. That's really good. And I didn't have to have a whole bunch of ingredients on hand. If you'd like your own Bartesian, I got this off of Amazon. I'll leave you a link. And the pods are also on Amazon. And I'll deliver it right to your house. And you see how easy the setup is. Put water in it, plug it in, put a pod in, put your cup under it, put your spirits in it. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.